Hey guys, welcome back to Sav's Glam Beauty. Today I will be showing you how to make some liquid pigments. Okay, for start, I'm going to be using some titanium dioxide oil for my white liquid pigment. And I am going to be pairing it with some castor oil. I love using castor oil in my liquid pigment because it's thicker and it's gonna give you that thickness when it comes to liquid pigment. I don't like a watery or loose pigment because I feel like it's not gonna give you the color payoff. So I like my lip pigment thick. Right here, I'm just trying to screen it on my camera to give you a clear view of what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm gonna start the mixing process. Bear in mind, titanium dioxide is very strong, it's hard to dissolve. So it takes a lot of mixing, stirring, and all of the above before it dissolves. So I'm going to fast forward this part. Now that we are done mixing, I'm going to take my 1 ounce dropper bottle and put my white liquid pigment in there. And this is our finished product. It looks just like the ones that we be buying from TKB Trading. Okay, let's move on to the next color. I'm going to be making some brown lip pigment and I'm using some brown iron oxide. I love using oxides for my lip pigment because it gives me the best color payoff. Okay, I don't like to use mica because I feel like it's not going to give me a lot of pigment. So iron oxides for your lip pigment is the best. Okay, and I'm going to get my sifter to sift the oxide because it's very grainy and it has lumps in it and you don't want to keep mixing and all of that. So basically the sifter helps reduce your mixing process for the most part. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this part again. Like I said, I don't want this video super long. Okay, Okay, moving on to our final and last color. For this part, I have to use a clean board because I don't want the brown or the white to temper with this color. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna be using some roasted red iron oxide for this color. And I'm basically again repeating all the steps that I took in the first two. Okay, so let's do this. And voila, this is our final result. I love it. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.